Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today just want to share with you a little bit of the experience playing Forza 5, which is awesome. I did try the other day while I was testing the Xbox Cloud's new service on the Xbox, and this game has a absolute crazy intro, so I will leave that towards the end of this video. But besides that, I want to share that I'm testing out a few of the hardware. You already know this setup. There is only two parts that I need to share: the cooler, and I'm also testing out the new KFA2 RTX 3060 Ti second generation, which is right over here, and in a few days I will bring the full review right here. Now I also am playing out with some of the gaming accessories of KFA, and I'm using the new headset, new keyboard and a new mouse. But in this particular game I will be using a gamepad, which is a lot easier to play, especially for racing games. Now that being said, I've got right over here on this angle all the info that you will see from the GPU and for the hardware that I have. And playing Forza 5, I want to share with you the specifications. A new car to collect, yes. Actually, this will be my second race. I just finished recording a video on my Puchki's channel, so let's go to the settings right over here so that you guys can check out. In terms of video, we are playing on a resolution of 5120 by 1440, and as you can see, all the information right over there. And then on graphics, we are playing on ultra, so we could go to extreme, but I do believe that for this resolution, for this kind of display, this will be the ideal. And besides that, this is a 60 Hz refresh rate, so you will see the frames per second that we will get, but basically I do believe that this is the best balance. So that being said, let's discard and continue. So let's go to the map, because I just finished a race, one race, and oh, there it is already. I've got my my thing. Okay, as you can see, the map, unlike on Forza Horizon 4, which I couldn't see the whole map, we would see by 16 by 9. Here we can see the whole map. So let's go to the place. Okay, and I just need to follow. Wow, this Corvette is just awesome. And as you can see right over there, 85, 87, 88 frames per second. But we will do a game right over here in just a few moments so that you can see a little bit better, more action during the game. And this game is just awesome, and the experience that I'm having with the RTX 3060 Ti, just awesome as well, with great potential. And of course it's not targeted at 4K, not even at this kind of resolution. I would say 1080, 2K maximum, but here we are 2K times 2. I will check that later on. Okay, let's move on. As I was saying, 3060 Ti targeted at a great 1080 resolution gameplay. We can go 2K with some great details. I've been playing also 4K in some games, but we will need to reduce a few things. This resolution, it's not easy. Yes, come on, we will take a look. Now this is one of the things that I don't like. As you could see, the cinematic parts are not in are not in the. Okay, so I will be driving this Jeep, so I think this is not a really race. I will need to take a picture inside the sandstorm. Okay, let's check it out and see, but I would prefer a little bit more action. Okay, so this is a boring take a photograph inside the storm. Yeah, boring race this. Okay, let's go for it. And now this is a race, something more interesting. Frames per second, we are reaching 70-ish frames per second. Whoops. Checkpoint missed. Ah, come on. Frames per second that we will reach. I will need to have caution with those checkpoints. I cannot go outside them, so let's go, let's check it out. We are with 80 frames per second at this moment. Whoa, really nice driving feeling right over here. The RTX 3060 Ti doing a great job on what it is, 2K displays, 5120 by 1440, and not doing so bad. if we disregard that that just hit a wall. And we are on the 80-ish frames per second. And of course you can see probably better than me the data on the right side. Sometimes we go deep to 70-ish, but I haven't seen any major drop. The GPU working almost at its full, 90-ish, 90 something percent. CPU only going to 21%. Oh yeah. We are talking about 11700 i7 Intel CPU, so more than enough for this kind of game. And there we go. Okay, the experience is just awesome. And of course this gamepad, which I've reviewed here on the channel, says a game here. If you search on the channel you'll find it. It also gives me a great experience because it vibrates a lot when I'm turning on and when I hit, so it gives a little bit more reality. The graphics are awesome. Come on. Come on. Okay, last place again. Come on. Awesome racing, but I'm in the last place. let's I hope, yes, I did. I did not miss the checkpoint. Let's go. Okay, the experience on the ultra-wide display is just awesome. And of course we are talking about 60 Hz. It's not the perfect. We have seen 144 Hz on other displays, but ultra-wide has its advantages, and this is just awesome. Seeing the landscape on both of my sides, it's just great. I just would love to see the ultra-wide being used on every single scene, including these scenes, cinematic scenes, but unfortunately no, just the gameplay. 10th place, really bad. And that is it. Just wanted to share with you guys this experience. Forza Horizon 5, it's a awesome game. I did love the 4, and the 5th is even better. Playing around with this hardware, especially the new RTX from KFA2 3060 Ti. I will leave a link down below, and in a few days I will have the full review in some games with DLSS that we can improve better, and even on this resolution have higher frames per second. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.
Say